Academy is are set to release their follow-up to Santi, titled Fast Times at Barrington High, a play on the famous teen film Fast Times at Ridgemont High. The collection is the band's third album for Fueled by Ramen, and vocalist William Beckett said it encompasses the best of their first two albums. Beckett also explains what comes to memory from his time at Barrington High School.
It's pretty much like any high school. I was like really big into sports growing up, and my freshman year I was like baseball, basketball, whatever. And then we moved from the school I was going to, and we moved to Barrington. I like quit baseball, basketball, whatever. I quit sports, and I like really got into writing songs and I was always really into music, but I really got engulfed in it. And I started dressing the way I wanted to dress. It was like being accepted by these people that really aren't my friends in the first place. And if they are my friends, then they'll be my friends if I dress like this or if I wear tight pants. So I got a lot of backlash. I was pretty much the only kid in my entire school that listened to any of the bands that I was listening to. Pretty much all the jocks that I used to be friends with like turned on me and called me fag like every day, like ridiculed anyone that was my friend. Whereas in the meantime, like half of their girlfriends were like slipping me notes in my locker and like trying to call me after class and stuff.
The Academy are tearing it up on the Warped Tour, and Fast Times at Barrington High comes out August 19th with the first single, About a Girl, leading the way.